shapes we've been dealing with since, like, I don't know, preschool, right? Just a little bit more complicated. Okay, so we have this thing called the Polygon angle sum theorem. That's kind of what we're going to talk about today. And it talks about when I take all the angles in a shape, what they add up to. Sum means add, yeah? Yeah. We got a few vocab type words. Equilateral polygon. What does equilateral normally mean?
All sides equal.
All sides the same, yeah. Talking about triangles, right? That's true of any equilateral polygon. It means that your sides are congruent. Congruent means same. They're equal. What did equiangular mean?
Equal
angles.
Equal angles. Same thing here. Equiangular means our angles are congruent or equal, same. Yeah.
That's her big number here.
I don't know. I truly don't. It doesn't mean anything. A regular polygon just means that it has both same sides and same angles. Hence the picture that has a bunch of stuff marked. Our sides and angles are all the same if it is a regular. So if I have like a regular triangle, all my sides are the same, all my angles are the same, we called that an equilateral triangle, where all of our angles are 60, 60, 60. If I have a four-sided shape, what four-sided shape has all angles the same and all sides the same? A square, yeah. How's that sound? Not too bad so far? All sides the same, all angles the same? Guess what? Naming polygons. Literally, pre-K. Are you ready? What side has three shapes? Or what shape? Whoa. What shape has three sides? A triangle. Guess what this shape is called? Triangle. Let's try better this time. How many sides does this next shape have?
4.
4. It's got 4 sides. What do we call shapes?
Damn.
4 sides. Less specific. If any shape has 4 sides. A quadrilateral. This is the worst thing to spell. Quadrilateral.
I'll say
It's a good thing we're not in English class. Because as long as you got a Q-U in there, I feel like it's okay. Maybe an L or 2. How many sides does the next shape have?
5.
5. Thank you.
It's okay.
What do I call 5-sided shapes?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. How about my next one? How many sides? 6.
6.
What do we call 6-sided shapes?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. This next one is probably the least known one. How many sides do I got?
8. No, 7.
7. Anybody know what a 7-sided shape is?
Septagon.
It is not. It's actually called a heptagon, which is super weird. I don't know.
That's dumb.
I know. But it's okay. And my last one, how many sides? 8. What do we call it? 8? Octagon.
He's special.
How we feel about this stuff so far? Like we're gonna get an A on the final already?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
a bit
I'm ready. Let's take it now.
Maybe not. Steep. Hold on.
Hold up. Hold on, Mason. Let me grab you a packet.
Okay.
We're on the second page. Or no, maybe I already put one there for you. If you want to sit back there, that's fine. Just grab that one.
Oh, wait, shit.
Go.
Stop. No. Okay, to figure out how many degrees are in each shape, we use this pretty little formula right here. N minus 2 times 180. That tells me how many degrees are in my shape total. What do you think that N stands for? The sides, the number of sides, yeah. So, heptagon, we said are how many sides? 7. So, my N is going to equal 7. So, all I got to do is take 7 minus 2 times 180. Hopefully, you got a calculator. If not, go grab one. Plug that in and tell me how many degrees I got in that polygon.
6,804.
That is such a lie. What is 7 minus 2?
900.
What's 5 times 180? 180. 900. Not what a little big number. So my angles total 900 degrees. Not a gun. Anybody have any idea? 9. 9. So plug in my formula. I got 9 minus 2 times 180. What's 9 minus 2?
7.
Take 7 times 180.
1260.
1260. Good. Do we need to do another one?
Of these what's a dodecagon?
Yes.
Dodecagon? Anybody know?
12.
It's not, yeah, it's got 12.
Oh.
Nice guess.
12 minus 2 times 180. Mental math, what's 12 minus 2?
10.
If I take 10 times 180, what do I get?
1800.
1800. Woo! Alright, still doing good? I gotta find the missing angle measure. I am missing angle B right here. Let's throw an X on it. Ideas on how I can find that missing angle.
Use that formula to find the number of angles.
The number of total. Yeah.
And then find it out.
Yeah. How many sides do I got?
4.
4. I feel like we should memorize this one. How many degrees in a 4-sided object? Let's do the formula.
I know how to do
4
that.
minus 2 times 180. What, Caleb? 360. Every 4-sided shape has 360 degrees. Okay. So now what should we do?
Add those up and minus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Add all these up. So take your 112, 91, and 98, and what do we get? I can take notes. You could at least do a calculator work.
You want the answer for all that?
301.
301.
301?
Yeah.
So if I have a total of 360 degrees and I've got 301 support, what am I doing with these two numbers?
50.
I
Or wait,
mean,
no,
360
I'm-
minus 300 is different.
59.
59
Yeah.
degrees left for that angle.
I'm tired.
Let's not call people dumb though.
You were thinking? Yes.
Yeah, that was dumb.
How many sides do I got in my next shape?
5.
5. So 5 minus 2 times 180. How many degrees should be in that shape? What?
420.
How about 540? Total up are 110. What's this degree?
90.
90. So total up 110, 90, 120, 150. And what's that leave me with? That totals how much?
470.
470. So I got 470 total, and I want 540. So it leaves me with what? What? Yeah. How many sides do I got in my next one? 10. Notice I don't got nothing. Let's use our formula. 10 minus 2 times 180. How many total degrees should be in there? 1440. It doesn't tell you this, but I'm going to tell you that this is a regular polygon. What does that mean to be regular again?
It's all sides.
All sides, all angles are the same. How many angles are there? 10. So what should I do with that one? Divide by 10. And what is each angle? 114. That's what this little formula says down here. It says if you have a regular polygon, all you're gonna do is what we just did. Take your n minus 2 times 180 and divide that by how many sides there are. Because sides, how many sides are there, that's how many angles there are. Okay, questions on this page? No? Okay. Let's skip the little b thing. The next question says, what is the measure of an exterior angle of a regular hexagon? Well, first off, how can I find the measure of an interior angle? So, like, if I want to find that measure first, how could I do that?
5 minus 2
Very close. Hexagon is what? How many sides?
6.
6. There you go. So we got 6 minus 2 times 180, and then he said do what to that? Divided by 6. Yeah, this is that formula that we just looked at. As long as I have a regular shape, I can use this formula. Take the total divided by how many there are. So 4 times 180 divided by 6, and how much does that leave me with?
120.
120. So this angle right here, this x, is 120 degrees. So how could I find how much angle 1 is?
180 minus 120.
180 minus 120, which leaves me with what again?
60.
60. So this angle right here is 60 degrees. Questions on that one? Okay. I want you to look at the exterior angles of our triangle. They're in red. 80, 130, 150. What do those add to? No? 3 what? 360. How about my quadrilateral? What do those add to? $360. Guess what? No matter what shape you have, meaning no matter how many sides you have, your exterior angles are always going to equal 360. Okay? So let's look at our hexagon. If this one is 60, how many exterior angles do I have? Total of 6. If I take 60 times 6, do I reach that 360? Easiest question that I guarantee people get wrong on the test is exterior angles. They're not a formula. It's just a number. They always total 360. Okay? Exterior 360. I don't know how you want to memorize that, but I would remember that. Okie dokie, last page. Find the measure of an exterior angle, so not all exterior angles, but one exterior angle of each regular polygon. First off, what is the total of the exterior angles? What do they always add up to?
360.
360. How many sides is an octagon?
8.
So if I know I have to add up to 360 and a regular, I'm just going to divide that by 8. Because they all have to be the same. I know that there's 8 exterior angles. What is 360 divided by 8? 45. So each exterior angle has to be 45 degrees. 15 gone. No idea what that looks like, but I know that the total of my exterior angles has to equal what? 360. To find one of those, what am I going to do?
360 divided by 5.
There you go. And what do we end up with?
24.
24. And one more. How do I find one exterior angle for a 40-gon? 360 divided by 40. Math.
9.
9. Okay, we got a little more algebra intensive in the rest of this.
says the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon with n sides is given. Well, I have a little formula about finding the total sum of interior angles. Anybody remember that formula?
No.
No?
Oh, and
N minus 2 times 180. This tells me my sum of my interior angles. That formula, okay? So it says that I know there's 540 degrees. So this formula has to equal this 540.
5.
So n minus 2 times 180 equals 540. First thing to do to get n by itself is divide by 180. So the 180s cancel here. What is 540 divided by 180? 3? How big is that?
5.
If you just know it already.
If you know already, because we did one like those, that's fine. I would make sure you know how to do your math, because you might not always know off the top of your head, but yeah. Same thing with our 1,440 degrees, set up our equation. I know the interior angles have to work out to this formula, n minus 2 times 180. I know it also has to total 1,440 degrees. First step is to do what?
Divide by 180.
Divide by 180. So my n minus 2 equals 8. So n is 10. If you want to check them, I would recommend that on a quiz test. Plug 10 back in there. 10 minus 2 times 180 should be that 1,440. You want to do another one of these?
We're good.
I need more than one vote.
I think we're good.
Still one vote. Okay.
Twice.
Well, you voted twice, but it's one person's vote.
I get
Just
multiple
because
votes.
you say it multiple times.
I get multiple votes as long as right.
Okay. It tells me the measure of an exterior angle is given. What do I know about the sum of exterior angles?
They equal
360.
360.
So my total always has to be 360. So if I know one angle is 45, right? How do you know there's 8? Take your 360, that's how much total there should be. So that's my total degrees. If one of them is 45, I know there has to be 8 sides. It's an octagon. So my total has to be 360. That's kind of like what we're doing up there, just involved with formula. And our exterior angles don't have formulas. How can I find how many sides my next one has? 360 divided by 30. And I got how many sides left? Anybody know what we call a 12-sided shape? I think we saw it already.
Oh, dodecagon.
Dodecagon. This last one is way too abstract. Questions on first section of chapter 6? Know how we feel?